my koutou, kia ora. My name is Kaylee.
And more Aotearoa with the school. I'm Breana. Welcome to N.E.W.S News Ramere, the 30th of August.
We start the day with te kupu o te wiki.
This week's word is aomoi,
which is te reo for sleep, as in e o te moi e te tau. Did you have a good sleep, darling?
No, I didn't. My brother woke me up at 12 o'clock in the morning and I am so grumpy.
Someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed last night.
And now I'm so tired. Tomorrow is Ramere, and that means hot chocolates and sausages sizzle.
My fave, get your stamp in the library before school, apart from years 5 to 8, who are away at Central Car.
Oh, it's me.
And me.
Mr.
Oh well.
Mr. T's problem solving group is a lunchtime session at 12:40 today. Thank you.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite o popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay classy with the school.